Ever dreamt of making money while lounging on a beach, or perhaps just while having a good night's sleep? Sounds almost too tantalizing, right? Well, hold on to that seat, because we're about to embark on a transformative journey that unveils the secrets of passive income. No more trading hours for dollars. Dive in with me as we unveil a 10-step roadmap that will not just multiply your income sources, but potentially revolutionize the way you think about earning money. Are you ready to unlock the golden gates of financial freedom? Let's roll! Number 1. Understand the concept of passive income. Passive income, by definition, is the money you earn without having to actively work for it after setting it up. It's the dream for many, earning money while you sleep, travel, or simply relax. But how does it differ from active income? Active income requires your constant time and effort, like a 9-to-5 job, whereas passive income may require an initial investment of time or money, but not the continuous effort. Building a passive income stream might sound too good to be true, and indeed it isn't an overnight achievement. It requires careful planning, dedication, and sometimes capital investment. Yet, it's an attainable goal. There's no magic bullet, but a combination of persistence, research, and hard work will get you there. Before diving in, it's essential to gauge your current financial situation and risk tolerance. The last thing you want is to invest heavily in a venture only to find you're not comfortable with the potential losses or the level of involvement needed. Number 2. Save and invest wisely. The foundation of most passive income strategies is having some capital to start with. Before you can invest, you first need to save. Adopt a disciplined approach to saving a portion of your income regularly. With compounding interest, even small savings can grow significantly over time. Once you've got a decent savings foundation, it's time to invest. The stock market is a popular choice for many. Dividend-paying stocks, for instance, can offer a dual earning opportunity: the potential appreciation of the stock's value and the dividends they pay out. Investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds can also provide steady growth over time. Real estate is another option. You might consider purchasing properties to rent out, or investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which pool investors' money to buy properties. Both can provide monthly income without the hands-on management of property. Number 3. Explore affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission from each sale made through your referral link. This model has grown in popularity with the rise of digital marketing and blogging. Starting a blog or YouTube channel around a niche you're passionate about is the first step. Once you have a platform and a decent following, you can promote products or services that resonate with your audience. Always prioritize authenticity. Promote products you believe in and have tried yourself. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing isn't the number of products you promote, but the trust you build with your audience. It takes time, but if done right, it can become a significant source of passive income, with earnings coming in every time someone makes a purchase using your referral link. Number 4. Create and sell digital products. In the age of the internet, selling digital products has become a lucrative venture. Think ebooks, online courses, and digital designs. The beauty is that once created, these products can be sold indefinitely without ongoing production costs. To start, identify a skill or knowledge area you possess that others might find valuable. Writing an ebook, for instance, can be a way of sharing your expertise on a subject. With platforms like Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, reaching a global audience is more accessible than ever. Online courses are another avenue. Websites like Udemy or Teachable allow you to host courses on topics ranging from digital marketing to cake decorating. The initial effort is in creating and marketing the course, but once that's done, students can enroll and download your content without your direct involvement. Number 5. Dive into dropshipping. Dropshipping is a real fulfillment method where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles the inventory. When a customer buys a product from your online store, you purchase it from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This model reduces the need for upfront capital and the risk of unsold stock. It's essential to choose reliable suppliers and products that align with your brand and audience. However, success in dropshipping requires effective marketing and customer service skills. Since you're not in control of inventory or shipping, addressing customer complaints promptly and professionally is crucial to maintain trust. While it requires effort, especially in the beginning, as you streamline processes and build a reputation, it can transition into a more passive income stream. Number 6. Create a mobile app or software. The app economy has exploded in recent years. If you have a unique idea or solution to a common problem, creating an app can be a lucrative venture. Even if you're not tech-savvy, platforms like Bubble or Adalo allow you to design apps without coding. Monetizing an app can take multiple forms, from charging for the app, in-app purchases, to ad revenues. The primary effort is in the development and marketing. Once it gains traction, it can be a significant passive income source. Alternatively, if you identify a need in a specific industry, developing niche software to address that need can also be profitable. Subscription-based models, where users pay a monthly fee for access, can offer steady and predictable income once the software is up and running. Number 7. License your ideas or content. If you've created something unique, be it a product, a piece of content, or even a catchy jingle, skill. Licensing it can generate passive income. Licensing allows another company to use your intellectual property in exchange for royalty payments. Consider photographers who license their photos on platforms like Shutterstock or Getty Images. Every time someone purchases their photo, they earn a royalty fee. The same applies to musicians, authors, or inventors. For this model to work, it's crucial to understand intellectual property rights and protect your creations adequately. This often means securing patents, copyrights, or trademarks. Once protected, you can negotiate licensing deals, ensuring you receive fair compensation for the use of your work. Number 8. Rent out your assets. Have an extra room or a vacation home? Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to rent out spaces. Similarly, if you have a car you don't use frequently, platforms like Turo allow you to rent it out. This doesn't limit itself to physical assets. Have a drone or high-end camera equipment? These can be rented out to hobbyists or professionals on platforms such as Fat Llama. The principle is simple. If you have something of value that others might need temporarily, consider renting it out. The key is to ensure your assets are well maintained and that you have clear terms of use. Proper insurance is also essential to cover potential damages or losses. With these in place, this can be an excellent way to generate consistent passive income. Number 9. Peer-to-peer lending or crowdfunding. P2P lending platforms like Prosper or Lending Club connect lenders with borrowers, bypassing traditional financial institutions. As a lender, you earn interest on the money you lend, often at higher rates than conventional savings accounts. It's crucial, however, to diversify your investments across multiple loans to mitigate risk. Remember, higher returns often come with higher risks. While platforms vet borrowers, there's still the potential for defaults. Alternatively, if you're interested in entrepreneurship, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter allow you to back promising projects. In return, you might receive a share of the profits, early access to products, or other perks. While this approach can be riskier, the potential rewards can also be much higher. Number 10. Build and grow a niche website. A niche website focuses on a specific topic or audience. By providing valuable content and establishing authority in that niche, you can generate income through ads, affiliate marketing, or even selling products directly. Starting a niche website requires research to identify gaps in the market. Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner to find underserved topics with decent search volumes. Once you've chosen your niche, focus on producing high-quality content. As your website gains traffic, monetize it. Ad networks like Google AdSense can be a good starting point. Affiliate programs related to your niche can also be incorporated. While building and maintaining a website requires consistent effort, as it grows and ranks higher in search engines, the passive income potential increases. Building a passive income stream is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and continuous learning. Each of these steps offers a different path. Assess your skills, interests, and resources, and start building your path towards financial independence. And there you have it, folks, the 10-step treasure map to building those passive income streams. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. So start laying your bricks, and soon you'll have an empire. Stay curious, stay inspired, and as always, keep dreaming big. Cheers to your journey towards financial independence.